Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to quickly show you how you can get back to the TV guide when you're watching Fubo TV. So if you're selected on a particular channel, what you want to do is take out your remote and click the back button to open up this page. Then with this menu brought up, what we want to do is get to the side menu area. So we can do that simply by clicking down and then over. You can also just manually go all the way back to the left until you get over to the left-hand side. But we want to get to this side menu and then we can go down and click select on guide. That's going to bring up this traditional look of the TV guide so you can see what's on and select what you'd like to watch. Another thing that we can do when watching a channel is clicking the down button to open up this menu. And this is basically just going to have your channels in the order that they would be in the guide. So all of your favorites would show up first, and then your channels that aren't favorited would be after that. So this is kind of a different way to look at the guide where the channels are in these tiles. I prefer the traditional guide better. And again, all we have to do with that is click the back button on our remote to get this page. Then we're just going to go over here on the side to open up our guide. So I hope this video is helpful, walking you through the step-by-step process on how you get back to the guide in Fubo TV when you're watching a channel. I appreciate you guys stopping by. Consider subscribing to the YouTube channel, and I'll see you back here next time.